Shoulder, eyes, and T's with dumbbells. Stand with your feet hip width apart. Your dumbbells are palms facing you, knuckles facing away. Suck in your core. There's a straight line from your hip all the way down to your ankle. Raise your arms up shoulder height. Open out to the side, come back down. Now reverse that direction. Come up into a T, close it, and go back down. Now when you go up, your butt wants to stick out. Don't let it. I'm going to show you a side view. Up, T, down. Your chest is forward, your eyes are forward. The front of your hip bone is forward. I don't want you doing them like this with your butt sticking out. Straight line, shoulder, hip, and knee. Shoulder, eyes, and T's.